ఫుట్బాలే
Absolutely, it's going to be a battle of the nerves. To play this match on the 16 scale because the icon is
కన్నుల పండుగ ఉంటుంది. ప్రేక్షకులకు కూడా ఎదురు యాభై కోట్ల ఫాలోవర్స్ ఉన్న ఏకైక ఆటగాడు లియోనెల్ మెస్సీ. 38 ఏళ్ల వయసు గల లియోనెల్ మెస్సీ 2027 వరల్డ్ కప్ లో చూడొచ్చు మనం. వావ్, రెండు దశాబ్దాల పాటు కూడా అర్జెంటీనాకు ప్రాతినిధ్యం.
I'm sure Messi knows that Revan Reddy has scored a goal against his team, against Messi All-Stars. But yeah, like we all keep reminding ourselves, yes, this is the friendly encounter that's going to happen as Revan Reddy. The fans are thoroughly enjoying this moment. Been joining in with the legend, with GOAT India tour that's happening as well. So thanks to them. But more importantly, the sport is going to grow from here. Everybody will take a lot of inspiration from Leo. Everybody will make sure that they will go out there and try and at least have that physical fitness. Is that the goal? Oh, yes it is! The coach right there wanted to save that one. What's his name? We spoke to him right there.
Mr. Vinod.
Mr. Vinod wanted to stop a goal that was coming in from the GOAT, but the ball won it. The goalpost was beaten. Come on, Mr. Vinod. Can't be stopping the GOAT's goal. Yeah, come on.
They are exchanging the passes. The pace is hitting up the roof of the stadium.
No doubt, no doubt. The adrenaline rush. The excitement has got a straight shot. Yes, it is. The left foot comes out. We saw the third goal also from Messi All-Stars. This forward striker coming out with the left foot. And there was that easy left foot goal that we saw.
Yes, we have seen the Inter Miami setting their rhythm. And yes, they are going for a group pick.
Yeah, that's a moment, isn't it? That's a moment. And look at this. Look at this. As the GOAT, as the legend himself, he's squatting down. He's squatting there. And so is Revan Reddy. That is sports. It teaches you to be humble. It teaches you to be, inclusive. It teaches you to accommodate everybody alongside with you in your life. And this is exactly why we say you play a sport in your life. you will achieve a lot of things physically, mentally, psychologically. You're going to be fit and fine every